welcome back to our channel and thank you for coming back. Really appreciate it and thank you so much. For those who don't know me, my name is Russell of W, based here in Dubai. If you would like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, or smash the bell notification. It will really help our channel to trigger the YouTube algorithm. are here in Shis Park, Khorfakkan, Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. It is a recreational park near to the village of Shis. They inaugurated the park last October 15, 2020 by the ruler of Sharjah. They constructed this place for just 8 months. Can you imagine that? It has a 25-meter high artificial waterfall with walkways throughout the 3 mountain decks linked by stone stairs heading to the viewing deck at a height of 30 meters. Your children will love it here because it includes a children's play area, so I just traveled from Dubai just to experience this swing at the Shis Park. At least we arrived at exactly 9 a.m. We left in Dubai at around 7:30. So it took us roughly for 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours. We decided to come here early to avoid crowded, to avoid this place to be crowded. Kasi syempre, we are still in the pandemic and it's really worth it. So if you're coming here, also come here during 8 a.m. It's 8 a.m. is already open. Hindi yata kaya. Hindi yata kami kaya. Kids. Yung mountain, ano ba ito? Wall climbing. Wall climbing. This one is nice, huh? And your little kid can do wall climbing. Napagod ako. So nice, huh? Shaded seating areas and you can also do your barbecue as well. So guys, this is a designated area for the barbecue. So if you would like to do barbecue, this area only is allowed. So if you're coming here, just make sure that you're going to bring your jacket. And believe me guys, coming here is really worth it, especially if you love mountains, because along the way, sobrang ganda ng view. And it seems that you are not in the UAE, it seems that you are in Europe. Like if you really love travel by road, I suggest you come here and see it for yourself. Unfortunately, camping is not allowed here, dog is not allowed here, and you can do also your barbecue but in a designated area, and there's no entrance fee. It's free of charge actually. The place is just small, it's not really that big. I think maximum of 1 hour is enough for you to be able to see and go with the trails and go up to the top of the mountains. And the weather is very good. It's cold right now, and don't forget to bring your jacket.